So about to work on this blue Roadking right here. Last time we left off, we had it running. I had to unplug the throttle connector for the throttle control. So I was going with the idea that a wire was pinched or touching. So I got it out right here, untaped, separated. So we about to see if it makes a difference now when we try to start it, if it runs or not, and if we can get the throttle to work. Battery dying now? It's crazy. It's nuts. Now the battery dead. This is crazy. So we finally got the new caliper up on there. We took the old one off. We re-bled the line, got a little bit of fluid down there, but it all worked out. And we got that thing nice and tight. We went ahead, got the back off and put that back. And besides that, I took the primary back off right there. I took that off because there was a leak under the bike over the weekend. So I just want to make sure I get all that handled. So let's not forget all the work I did to this bike and all the damage that was on this bike and how much stuff I had to go through, from the frame doctor to parts to everything. And y'all can see why it took me a lot much longer, from everything that was done to this bike from the bottom to the top. Even though you probably can't see, but best believe it was definitely done. And that shit was some stuff, like. But it's a long time coming. We finally here, man. So it's time to slide.
Boy out here going up. He going up, man. He say this is gonna be the next one for y'all, man. Y'all stay tuned.
So I got interrupted by somebody who came to bring me something I really needed. That's what's crazy. Just blessed me with that whole rack. Now I got space to put more parts instead of being on the floor. So we got that loaded up now. About to get back to this Roadking. We just was fucking with this one, and we got both the bags in here. These are the old bags that came in here with the music. These are the new ones we drilled the hose in. So we're gonna finish wiring up the speakers. Once we get that completed, we're gonna finish attaching the harness for the music onto the bike and then go from there. But on another note, we're about to install this light bar on the back of here. Install the light bar. I'm gonna try to jump the battery with my truck. And then we gotta put the headlight in, put this primary back on with the floorboard and whatnot. Then this thing will be almost complete. Only thing we gotta do is go buy a gas cap. Once we get that, we're gonna be in the game, go for a good test ride. So stay tuned, man. We getting it in. About to have this thing sliding, hopefully today. So we got the tail light on here. We got it fully functional. We're gonna go ahead and get these floorboard on with the primary. Once we do that, I'm gonna pull the truck up, try to jump start it with the jumper just to see if I can get it to fire right up, and we could just go from there, man. So we just knocked a lot of stuff out. We got the back light bar, the back support on there, primary, the clutches with the fluid, the shifters and the floorboard on there. Then we finally got the wires together for the throttle. I'm gonna leave this open just in case something else go wrong that I don't know about. So if everything works out though, I got the headlight and whatnot right there. So we're gonna be good, but this is it. Looking like the final product almost. Just gotta get that, and that's pretty much it, man. So we're gonna try to get a test ride in after we make sure we get this first start up again. The battery just got low on me. So we're about to go ahead and juice it up real fast and see how everything turns out, man. Sliding. So this is what it came down to for us to get the job done. So try it out. Got the neutral. Fuel pump on. So it's not the bike, it's the battery. I just switched it and I see exactly it's the battery. I gotta charge this battery up. I gotta take it home, put it like on a tender. Every battery in here just be dying just over time. So I gotta give me some power with a tender or just take them home and juice them up, because I literally could on a test ride right now and I'm so mad because I did this little work and I really want to just get a feel for it, you know? But still got tomorrow though, man. We're gonna go for a test ride, wash it up, and get it ready to get this thing shipped off this week, man. So stay tuned. We sliding and we getting it in. Let's try to get this thing to start. About to be on his way to the owner, man. I'm telling y'all, sliding. Got the start up, we got the floorboards on, fluid in there. About to just put the headlight on and whatnot. We go get this from Harley. But we sliding, man. We looking good. We are looking good, big dog. Good. Yeah, I'm so excited. This thing is about to be on its way out. Big slide, man. Big sliding. So now we got this figured out. Let's see if we got any leaks. Man, it is looking good, baby. I'm so excited. Can't wait for this thing to be on its way, man. Look, that worked out super cool. This thing looks good outside in the sun. It's hella dirty. About to wash it up. Get it right.